Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Smiley Kids. In this video, we are going to see the class 9 mathematics chapter 1 number systems formulas. A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. A raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. A raised to the power m b raised to the power m is equal to ab raised to the power m. A raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m is equal to a by b raised to the power m. A raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. A raised to the power 1 is equal to a. A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m. Nth root of a is equal to a raised to the power 1 by n. Nth root of a raised to the power m is equal to nth root of a power m, that is equal to a raised to the power m by n. Square root of ab is equal to square root of a multiplied by square root of b. Square root of a upon b is equal to square root of a divided by square root of b. Square root of a plus square root of b multiplied by square root of a minus square root of b is equal to a minus b. A plus square root of b multiplied by a minus square root of b is equal to a square minus b. Square root of a plus square root of b whole square is equal to a plus 2 root ab plus b. Square root of a plus square root of b multiplied by square root of c plus square root of d is equal to square root of ac plus square root of ad plus square root of bc plus square root of bd. And to rationalize the denominator, suppose we have 1 by root a. To rationalize this, we need to multiply with root a on the numerator as well as the denominator. So, our answer will be square root of a divided by, when we multiply this both, we get a. To rationalize the denominator like 1 by square root of a plus b, to rationalize this, we need to multiply this by square root of a minus b on the numerator as well as on the denominator. A number is said to be a rational number if it can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. A number is said to be a rational number if it cannot be written in the form of p by q. It cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. All the rational numbers and irrational numbers make a collection of real numbers. If R is a rational number and S is an irrational number, then sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number is an irrational number. That is R plus S, R minus S, we get irrational numbers. And the product RS or division R by S of a non-zero rational number, it should not be 0, that is R not equal to 0 with an rational number with an irrational number is also a irrational number. But if we add, subtract, multiply or divide any two irrationals, the result may be rational or irrational. Remember this point. If we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrationals, then the result may be a rational or an irrational. A number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring is irrational. Irrational is a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring. Is irrational number, whereas a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating recurring is the rational. Finally, square root of a is equal to b. That means b square is equal to a. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel Smiley Kids and click on the bell icon for all the updates.